Pride of Nation Awards 2022, organized by Asia Today, Research and Media. Attending the function this evening, Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, Shri Bhagat Singh Koshyari ji, Honorable Union Minister Ramdas Athavale ji, Kabir Bedi ji, Jayaprada ji, Udit Narayan ji, distinguished guests, awardees, and the august gathering present here this evening. At the outset, let me congratulate all the awardees who have been felicitated this evening in recognition of the service to the community, to the society at large. I don't see this function as a function simply to bring together individuals from different walks of life, but this is a function that recognizes the efforts, the pains, and the contribution to the society by distinguished individuals who have risen above personal agendas and served the society. I think functions like this, in the true spirit, elevate the morale and the spirit of nation service amongst citizens, and therefore such functions are very, very important to the society at large. When the society, members of the society are appreciated for the work they do, when their work is recognized, it serves as an example to others to follow suit. It serves as an example for others to fulfill their obligations, duties, and responsibilities towards the nation. Therefore, I congratulate the Asia Today group for organizing this event, recognizing, acknowledging the talent and contribution of the awardees to the nation. As we are aware that India is marching ahead to becoming an economic superpower. We have been ranked as the 5th largest economy in the world. We are the youngest nation in the world with an average age of 27. And therefore, the entire world has huge expectations from this great nation. And the talent that we see in this country, the talent that we have seen amongst this august gathering here today, leaves no doubt in my mind that this great nation with these great citizens shall definitely fulfill the aspiration of the world and become the next economic superpower in the world. Having said that, I would also like to take this opportunity to thank and express my gratitude to the Honorable Prime Minister of the country, Shri Narendra Modi ji, who has exemplarily led the nation towards achieving this goal. As you all are all aware, I have just been elected as the Speaker of the Legislative Assembly a couple of months back, and ever since my elevation as the Speaker of the Legislative Assembly, I have been reminded time and again that a speaker is supposed to speak less and listen more. And therefore, I'm going to be as brief as possible. So let me once again congratulate you all, the awardees, for their contribution to the society, to the nation. And let me also congratulate the organizers for organizing this lovely and fantastic evening. Thank you once again, and assuring you of my fullest support in the times to come. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.